This juice is very refreshing, and it is also loaded with antioxidant and vitamin A, vitamin C, which we know can help to maintain and keep a strong immune system. Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. I mix it up a bit today. I'm going to be making apple and tomato juice, and I'm going to be adding a nice piece of ginger inside it. So you see, when you combine all of these ingredients together, you're going to get a juice that is full of vitamins and minerals that will boost your energy level to a higher heights and also keep you hydrated after a long workout session. So some of the ingredients them I'm going to be adding into this juice. I'm going to be adding 3 nice sized apple. And them say an apple a day keep the doctor at bay. But the apple, it also contains antioxidant, vitamins, dietary fiber, and a range of other nutrients. The apple, it also promotes oral health, fight cancerous cells. An apple, it can also keep your gut healthy, boost energy level, enhance skin condition. It can also prevent premature aging. The apple, it can also control our body weight. That's just a brief description of all of the benefits where you can get from the apple. Tomato, I'm adding 3 nice sized tomato inside this juice, and the tomato, it got antioxidant inside it. It is also a rich source of vitamins and minerals. The tomato, it may even improve our vision. It may help us in digestion. It may lower hypertension. And the tomato, it can also help us with our skin, and it may prevent gallstone. That's just some of the benefits them where you can get from the tomato. Ginger, I'll be adding just a nice piece of ginger inside this. And the ginger, it is loaded with antioxidant compound that prevent stress and damage to our body's DNA. Also, the ginger may help us to fight off chronic disease like high blood pressure, heart disease, and disease associated with our lungs. Then I'll add in about 2 teaspoons of honey inside it, and I'm going to be using 2 to 2.5 cups of water. So that's just a basic information of all of the ingredients them and the benefits what them have to offer. I'll leave a more detailed one in the description down below. So if you want a more detailed description of each ingredients, just have a look in the description box below. So if you like the information what you're getting so far from FadaGugs, just give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So now, let's just start the process of making that nice juice. We just put them to the side because I've got a bowl here so with some water where we're going to wash off the ingredients them. Because that's the most important thing, for wash your ingredients them, to get off all of the dirt and all of the germs off of them. We don't really want to put nothing in our juice, or we don't want tonight. So just get your bowl, you can even wash it under the top, but just make sure say it's nice and clean. So then what we're going to do, we're going to get the blender ready, because we're going to cut up the ingredients them, drop them in the blender. So once you're satisfied, say your apple and everything already washed, just get your knife and you just cut it up in some small pieces where you know say you're not going to really give the blender too much work. Once that's done, you just drop them inside your blender. With the tomato, the same thing. You just want to cut the tomato. Remember, we are going to strain the juice, so you don't have to worry about peeling tomato and all of them things. And as always, we are going to use the honey just for last, just to kind of give it a nice taste. And then with the ginger now, we also have to add a nice piece of ginger. Yeah, just kind of cut it up nice. Then just drop it on the blender. And then we're going to throw 2 cups of water, 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Remember, you don't really want to put too much water to dilute the juice. So that's it. Just move them to the side. Yeah, you have it, people. All ready to start the process of blending. So here you have it, people. All finished. So we need to get a container because we're going to strain it. So I've got my container with my straining bag. So you just need to pour out that nice juice inside it and then just strain it off to get all of the goodness out of it. So what we do now, we just lift up a straining bag. Yeah, and just watch it run out. So what we want to do now, we need to just put our honey inside it. About 2 teaspoons of honey. Just put the honey inside it and then just eat a nice mix and then just have a taste and see what it tastes like. It should be very refreshing. Just look on the color. That's nice. Just eat a proper mix. We mix out the honey. We just eat a taste now. See what I go on. Honestly, that is lovely. That juice that you're seeing here, that's lovely. And I'm not lying. It tastes nice. Honestly, it tastes nice. So here we have it, people. All ready. So let me just bring back my chopping board so we can put it in a nice glass so you can have a look and see finished product. So that's it. So we just want to throw out the juice in there. Look at that nice color as well, just like that. Then what I'm not gonna do, I'll put some ingredients beside it. Just some of the ingredients then. So there you have it, people. Apple and tomato juice. And we know say it's very refreshing and it is packed with loads of antioxidant and vitamin A, which can help you to stay hydrated for a longer time. So if you like the video where you get from FadaGugs today, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And always share it with your friends, with your family. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.